Hey guys, Aussie Steve here from Home Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition, Louisiana. I'm here at a property that we're looking to purchase in Orleans Parish. We're in New Orleans East. So the owner had reached out to us. She actually lives out of state, but she called out, and it's been in the family for a while, but she's just ready to be done with it. The property got some damage through Hurricane Ida. The roof was damaged, which led to water coming in, and there's mold and all of that sort of stuff. So she wanted to sell it. I'll show you it in a second. You'll see it's not in any condition to sell to a homeowner. It's going to need a complete renovation before it's ready for that. So she reached out to us and just wanted to sell it for cash. She didn't want to have to fix it up. She's out of state. It just didn't make sense for her to do that. So it made more sense just to get an all cash offer from us. So we're able to come to terms on that, and we went under contract 2 days ago. And we're just getting our plans together now, and we'll close. We generally close within 2 weeks, so we should close on this next week. I'll show you around. It's got damage. You'll see, overgrown grass. So she's was getting code violations. You see the house has been pretty beat up. Again, the roof is really the main damage. The mold. It's going to need a complete rehab, basically. A lot of stuff in here, belongings from people. I think there were tenants or some family that lived here actually. But she also doesn't want to clean this out. She wants to sell it with this in place, which we do. Because we're going to do renovation. We're gonna get out here with dumpsters. Probably gonna have to gut the house. So this is an extra couple dumpsters for us, so it's not a big deal for us to do as part of our rehab, but I know it can be a big deal for a normal homeowner to clean out, particularly if you're out of state. So look, that's all we do. We buy houses as is like this, so you don't have to clean them up. Again, if your house is really beautiful and nice, and it's ready for a homeowner to move in, then we're not going to be your best buyer. You're definitely best to list with a realtor. Find that homeowner that uses bank financing and stretches themselves. But if you get a house like this, where it's like, you want an investor to fix it up, and a homeowner's not going to be a bank's not really going to want to lend on it, then we're a really good buyer. So check us out, homebuyerlouisiana.com. Give us a call. We're happy to talk about your property.